Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Ellen Bear from Hoppers. So let's get started. To draw this very hungry bear, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a straight line. And then I'm going to come underneath it and just draw a curve and go up. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So just a little bit of space and then come across and draw the same thing. There. So now that I have that shape in, I'm going to come in here lightly on the top and just draw two curves right up top. And then right in here towards this edge, we're going to put in a little half circle and maybe a little highlight and shade it in. So same thing on the other side. There. So now that I have these silly eyes in, let's go ahead and draw the mouth and nose. So I'm going to come right in between the eyes and right here and draw a curve. Then we're going to bring it down nice and low for this kind of ovalish shape. Maybe a little bit wider about right here, and then start to bring it in. There. That looks so silly, right? Okay, so now that we have the shape in, let's come back to the top right here in the center, and I'm just gonna draw this curve to create this big bear nose. Round this part off and then bring it down towards the center and connect. I'm not sure if it's black or brown, so you know what? I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. And then I'm going to come down with a straight line about right here. And then let's open up the mouth. We're going to go up, down, same thing here. Across and up, down, round this part off and then wobble and connect. There. And then at the bottom right here, I'm just going to add a little gum line right there. And then we can start the teeth. So let's say here, just put in, wait, 1, 2, 3, and then a bigger one. And so same thing here. There. Okay, so now that we have that face in, you know what? I'm looking at the eyes right here. Sorry. And it's like my line wasn't straight enough. I don't want to slant it, so make sure it's straight across. Okay, a little bit better. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw her head. So I'm going to find my center and I'm going to go up. Say she has this big round head, right? So we're going to come up. I'm just going to give myself a point about right there. And then I'm going to come up from here where the eyes are and come up. Same level. So let's say about right here. And I'll just go ahead and draw a curve coming down to the same level on the other side. Same distance. So it's right over the eyes. I'm going to draw this curve right about there. And then we're going to pop in some bear ears. So curve. Same thing here. And then let's start to bring it down. So this big ovalish round head. So let's go around. And we want to bring it down a little bit about right here. So give myself a point and connect. There. I think this part needs to be rounder. So as you can see, I'm doing a lot of adjustments. So definitely do that too when you're drawing. Just take a look back. And right here where there's this curve, I'm going to come right about here and draw the inside of the ear. There. Okay, so now that I have the head in, let's come right about here. We're going to draw another curve. Maybe you can zigzag a little bit if you want, just to make it look furry. And then we're going to continue that here and there, just make it just zigzag it, pop it out if you want. You don't have to. And so now that we have this, we're going to bring it all the way down. And so then about right here, I'm just going to skip a little bit of a space here and here, right here, and then we're going to draw the arms. So we're going to bring down a curve on both sides and bring this in. So really big arms here. So let's bring this down. Let's keep going. So let's say about right there. I think that's big enough. Then we're going to round it off. And then about right here, just pop out a curve. And then go ahead and connect it. So same thing here. Curve. And this is going to come down. Just like the other side. So about right there. And connect. So now that we have that, let's come in here. I'm just going to lightly draw in maybe 3 curves for some detail. And if you like, you can even put in some of these nails. And so same thing over here. We're going the other way. There. Makes it look more ferocious. And then let's say about right here. I'm going to start and draw a curve coming out. And then right here, we're going to put in this big oval at a slant for the feet. So let's go ahead and right about here in this space. Just want to draw this big oval. And connect. And so then right about here, you just bring it in, whatever space you have. And then for some details, for the pad on the bottom, and then of course some nails right here. I need just 4. And then before I forget, I need to add another curve, let's say about right here, and tuck it in. Okay, so same exact thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this across. So, and we want to do the same thing. So about right here. And I'm just going to drag this across so that I'm approximately the same area. So once again, I need to draw this big oval. Maybe it's a little bit thinner towards the bottom. There, and connect. And then once again, the same thing. And some nails. 2, 3, and 4. Oh, and this part. So about right there. And in. And one last part right here. Any space you have in between. Yay! So hopefully that looks cute, menacing but cute, right? For this Ellen bear. And now that we have that, let's go ahead. I'm gonna put a heart right here to make her my Draw So Cute bear from Hoppers. And I think that is pretty much it. Let's see here if I'm missing anything. I think if anything, let's try this. This line looks weird. Maybe it's not supposed to be connected. Yeah, I think that looks better. It looked weird when there's a solid line right there. But hopefully that helps you draw this cute bear. And if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.